Ever feel like your money vanishes into thin air by the end of the month? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at our bank balance wondering where it all went. But what if there was a way to get a clearer picture of your spending habits, not just in big monthly chunks, but in bite-sized daily insights? That's where Rocket Money comes in, offering you the power to view your finances through both a daily and a monthly lens. But which view is actually more helpful? Is it better to obsess over every single dollar spent each day, or is the broader monthly overview sufficient for managing your money effectively? In this video, we're diving deep into the daily versus monthly view in Rocket Money, exploring the pros and cons of each, and ultimately helping you decide which perspective can best empower you on your financial journey. Think about it. The traditional way we often look at our finances is monthly. We get paid, bills come out throughout the month, and we might loosely track our spending until the next payday rolls around. This monthly view gives us a general idea of our income and expenses. We can see if we're generally spending more than we're earning, or if we have some wiggle room. It's like looking at a landscape from a distance. You get the overall shape and major features. However, just like that distant landscape might hide intricate details, the monthly view can mask crucial daily spending habits that significantly impact your overall financial health. Those seemingly small daily coffees, the impulse buys at the grocery store, the subscription you forgot you signed up for, they can all add up significantly over the course of a month. It's like those hidden valleys and winding paths in our landscape analogy. This is where the daily view in Rocket Money steps in. By breaking down your spending into individual days, you gain a much more granular understanding of where your money is actually going. Suddenly, those small daily expenses become much more visible. You can see, day by day, how much you're spending on dining out, entertainment, transportation, and everything else. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly which days of the week you tend to overspend, or what triggers those impulse purchases. The daily view provides that level of detail, acting like a magnifying glass on your spending habits. This heightened awareness can be incredibly powerful for identifying areas where you can cut back and save money. Let's explore some of the specific advantages of using the daily view. Firstly, it fosters real-time awareness. Instead of waiting until the end of the month to realize you've overspent, the daily view provides immediate feedback. Seeing your spending in black and white each day can act as a powerful deterrent against unnecessary purchases. It encourages you to be more mindful of your spending decisions in the moment. Secondly, the daily view helps in identifying spending patterns. You might notice trends you weren't aware of before. Perhaps you consistently spend more on weekends, or maybe your spending spikes on days you have lunch meetings. Recognizing these patterns allows you to proactively plan and adjust your behavior. For example, if you know you tend to overspend on weekends, you can set a stricter daily budget for those days or plan more budget-friendly activities. Thirdly, the daily view can be incredibly helpful in tracking progress towards short-term savings goals. If you're saving up for a specific item or experience, monitoring your daily spending can help you stay on track and see the direct impact of your conscious spending choices. Each day you stay within your budget brings you closer to your goal, providing a tangible sense of accomplishment. Finally, the daily view can enhance your budgeting accuracy. By seeing where your money goes on a daily basis, you can get a more realistic understanding of your actual needs and wants. This information can then be used to create a more effective and sustainable monthly budget. You're no longer just guessing at how much you spend on certain categories. You have concrete daily data to inform your monthly allocations. However, it's important to acknowledge that focusing solely on the daily view can also have its drawbacks. For some, constantly monitoring every single transaction can lead to financial anxiety and overwhelm. It can feel restrictive and might even lead to burnout. It's crucial to find a balance and avoid becoming overly fixated on minor daily fluctuations. Missing your daily coffee budget by a small amount shouldn't derail your entire financial strategy. Furthermore, the daily view might not always provide the big picture perspective. While it's essential to understand your daily habits, you also need to ensure that your overall monthly income and expenses are aligned with your long-term financial goals. Getting bogged down in the daily details might cause you to lose sight of the larger financial landscape. Now, let's consider the advantages of the monthly view. Its primary strength lies in providing a holistic overview of your finances. It allows you to see your income, recurring expenses, like rent, utilities, and loan payments, and overall spending trends over a longer period. This is crucial for understanding your cash flow and ensuring you're not consistently spending more than you earn. The monthly view is also essential for budgeting and financial planning. It allows you to allocate funds to different categories and track your progress towards your monthly financial goals. It's the framework within which your daily spending operates. You need to have a clear understanding of your monthly limits to effectively manage your daily spending. Moreover, the monthly view is often more practical for managing fixed expenses. Bills typically come due on a monthly basis, and understanding your monthly obligations is crucial for avoiding late fees and maintaining a good credit score. So, which view should you prioritize in Rocket Money? The answer, as with most things in personal finance, isn't a simple either/or. The most effective approach is often to utilize both views in a complementary way. Think of the monthly view as your overall financial roadmap, showing you the major destinations and routes. The daily view, on the other hand, provides the detailed navigation for each leg of the journey, highlighting potential roadblocks and opportunities for efficiency along the way. Here's a practical approach. Start with the monthly view. Begin by establishing a clear monthly budget in Rocket Money. Categorize your income and expenses, set spending limits for each category, and get a good understanding of your overall financial picture. Dive into the daily view for insights. Once you have your monthly budget in place, use the daily view to monitor your spending habits within those categories. This will help you identify areas where you might be overspending on a daily basis and inform adjustments to your monthly budget if needed. Identify patterns and triggers. Regularly review your daily spending to identify recurring patterns or specific triggers for overspending. For example, you might notice you spend more on takeout on busy workdays or that your entertainment expenses spike on weekends. Adjust your daily habits. Armed with this knowledge, you can then make conscious efforts to adjust your daily spending habits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.